Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasyapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kibor penya jong ka GVK EMRI Meghalaya kila menjor kamar ka sarkar bakin penne bat buram ya ka status quo ha ka jelang yas ngutho jingmon ka balalong ha ka arp atrik mentau naitong arzat ka kendai ka jelang ha pedeng menteri bakhmi ya katnat ka koi ka khia ka sarkar jila uba el heng kibor penya jong ka GVK EMRI Meghalaya bat kinong trei jong ka GVK EMRI ki bahapo ka shatri jong ka Meghalaya GVK EMRI Workers Union katkom kani ka status quo kibor penya jong ka GVK EMRI Meghalaya kila ko ban persangi ano ya ka jingpen kre akam ki katto kan ningot kinong trei jong kan nikatnat ki balayoru ya ka transfer order dangshen u president jong ka Meghalaya GVK EMRI Workers Union uba Roy Par Kharaswai ha ka jekran ma kinong pathai khobor hadin balawai ka jelang ulayatho banakalyang ka union kala pryang sobhai kini ki jingya penben bat ki bor penya jong ka GVK EMRI bat shimru ya karai ban sangi ano ya ka jingya khi bat ban sedang biang ya ka jing syakri segi paiba ka jella ka ban sedang no nadu kani hi kasngi
Mili keren deh bah katakan main diman kejungi ke lomba balak penbitar ini ke lomba kedai nak ke transfer bila lek jubor maka transfer akan ke management jungi ke long kum ke kenja punishment nane kum ke kenja termination ini te nak liang jong health minister loong bah ke management ke ban stop no kedai ban withdraw no ya kata ka jing I order juga ban transfer, ban terminate, dan dia ban suspend. Yano. Nakal yang jumlah minister lo I kata ka asuransi pening jungi. Te nang tadi kaba ni sengu sikadei ru naka liang jongka government hi kala simkhia ba ka ong ba confirm naka daka committee confirm daka committee nakal yang jongka government hi but ban kli ban long chairman ha kata ka committee undai secretary health government of Meghalaya nangta ndonlang ki guriu jong ka management nangta kindonlang ki bana po labor department nangta na po transport department namar kani kam jungi ke dilang ki kali ki habandon na transport department ru nangta nakaliang jungi kum kinung yalam jongka union jongka Meghalaya EMRI Workers Union kila ambangi di Banwan Saungut namar ka entire state idon lagi jong ki district mo te la jit lang yang ru Saungut bangi di Bandon ki Manbar te kajing kani ke puar masung ban ong ba kipai ba kila sya stom na minta jungi kila support katung I ha po ki kot kubur na pedeng jungpi ki media mo untuk baburom mipi kila lek ban survey I ba kipai ba baro ki support ini ki seng balang ngi ki ong ba ya arlak ngut ki beriu ni ngila safe ban ngila dangi ki badon tang ars pangun ngila ban kumno ni kamu kata kapasiti jungi ru ngisu kadang red palang ni don tang ars pangut ban safe ya ka state baru kawai nang tang don tang gumolong tatang sau fulai ngut watang sau fulai tili ki ambulans te kalong ba kasim stom mingin rei baru sekatung ni yelek kat balak ban kun halade mo iki kijungi ke nga sumban ong ban iki pat ba nangnis khmat ru ba ka sarkar kal ag asuransi ni ngin call off no ya kenika agitation kijungi
nakaliang ka kini ki COD ru ngila yo lah bide kita bat ikini ki salary ki jongi ru ngila res ki tekin story ha kenika komiti ke ba ke government ke latung ya kani komiti ru kande tang po urbanite te bar sakawai ru ngai kublai ya ki ba bar khamtam ai KSU FKGP bar kunjur ki GSU bar ki bai ru ki NGO ki bala mi shikmat on support ini kani kamdei nam ta jungi makal omne kadi na mata kajing ba jong pai ba but nagaling union ro gipen tikana ba inam syong klikti ringin pen klanya gini gijing ki gijongi ba ka government kan simkhia gani katna adu ba kanla ro ban simkhia ro ban penyaji damaka balai ban le outsourcing ya gani ga tna hagabang la tip bagade ka top priority ban service ya gijim jong gibrio habakala la almost 100% ban ai ya ka fund ban run ya gani ka service kumno gibrio ban bar kin wan hnia ban pen wan ra ka formula di ban Delhi di ban Mumbai di ban Hyderabad kat kum ka condition jong ka state jungi kat kum ka jaka jong ka state jungi ide ban try kat kum ka condition ka bide ko ka state ki jungi na kata ka daw ngi ki try hnia ka government ka de bersutu ya ka condition jong ka state ki jungi omde ban ra ki formula ka ban ba ban wan ra hnia ka state ki jungi.
Again, they will, trying to discuss in details about all the charter demand and also the management service bureau book, whether this has to be resolved at the earliest. But the main contention, which I had already told in the meeting, is they want this. There's so many has been given show cause notice. Somebody has given the transfer. Someone has given even the termination letter. So I told in this juncture, everything has to be maintained status quo. So there's a demand also from the health department for the field staff. Since we have told the management to maintain status quo and stop all those transfer, all those show cause notice and etc. There also you have to stop all your agitations and resume back the work. So they have mutually agreed they will be resume of the work from today onward. But those who are very far away from where communication cannot be reached to them, so they will be communicating to each one of them that to resume all the work and meeting and the meeting is good. Still there will the chairman of the new committee under the leadership of Mr. Praveen Bakshi, the Managing Director NHM and also Secretary Health, immediately he will convince the meeting to discuss on all the details, all the charter demand and also the management grievances also will be discussed in the next meeting. Immediately the first meeting will be held this week only. After the first meeting they will be able about the charter of demand and also what is possible to resolve, which is not possible to resolve. Then only after they take all minutely on the meeting, only we can take this. We can tell how long it can take to resolve this issue. Until unless we'll have the first meeting and understand all the charter of demand and also the management, what is the grievances, the problem the managements are facing, will not be able to tell you how long it will take. It might take 1 month, it might not take 1 month also, it might take 10 days, it might take 2 months also, but we are trying to resolve as soon as possible. No, we need more ambulance. We have already placed this requirements to the Chief Minister. We have told the government to already we have written also to the Civil Aviation's Department, Civil Aviation's because they want to give it from the CSR for 30 ambulances to us. That is for the Civil Aviation, it is the Indian Airlines. So there's also still under the process of the Indian Airlines when they will give us the ambulances through the CSR.